Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag for this beautiful bag right here. This is the Chanel Maxi Classic Double Flap with the caviar leather and silver hardware. This is my dream bag. I am in love with this bag. Please let me know if you would like to see a review because I do have some thoughts on this bag. But if you would like to see what I keep inside, then please keep watching. Okay, so here is the bag right here. I'm not going to go too much into detail about the bag because I will do a review if you guys want to see that. But on the back, I just keep my phone in the Mona Lisa pocket. I saw a lot of reviews that people don't like to put anything in this back pocket, but I just find it to be the most convenient. So when you open up the double flap, you get the secretive pocket, and in here I just have some cash. I don't know if you can see that. I was in Vegas and that was my winnings that I won on the slot machine. Secretive pocket, I have some of these disinfectant wipes. I have Clorox and wet ones. And right here in this pocket, I don't have anything, so let's get in to the main part. So the first thing I see are my sunglasses. These are from Dior. I mentioned them in my most used items. I'm not quite sure of the name, but I will link them down below. Next, I have my AirPods. They are in this cute little Celine case that I got off of Amazon. Then I have this, which is my portable charger. This is such a lifesaver. You can use it as an actual charger that plugs into the wall, and then they give you the iPhone and Android, whatever phone that you have, the cord to plug in, and then you also get some USBs. Then it tells you how much, oh, I have 100%. It tells you how much battery life that you have. So this is a lifesaver. I got this off Amazon. I will link all my Amazon things down below. And I have my Zippy wallet from Louis Vuitton. I did a review on this wallet, so if you would like to see that, I will link that up above. Then I have this, which is my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 15. I don't know what video it was, but I was talking about how this was my least favorite one. I love the 19. But somebody wrote on there and told me that this is going to come in handy, so I shouldn't sell it. And they were so right, so whoever left me that comment, thank you so much. But yeah, so in here, I just have, well, first of all, I just use this as my catch-all because my 19 is too big to fit in here. I think it does fit in here, but that would be just too much. So I have this hand cream from L'Occitane. I have hand sanitizer. I have this Chanel, is this Cocoa Balm? Yeah, the Cocoa Balm. I have Carmax. I have these little wipes for your sunglasses. I have some gum. And I have this Chanel mirror. And yeah, that is all that is in here. I have this, this is a Valentino perfume. It is called Voce Viva, I think. And yeah, I got this from Ulta. When you bought the large size, they gave you this travel size, and it smells really good. I just have it thrown in my purse. It really shouldn't be just out bare in my purse, but it was too much to fit into my Toiletry 15, so I have this. And yeah, that is everything that is in my bag. You can see that it is empty. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.